Hello dear students, welcome to my 4th online class. This is Kamrul Islam, English teacher, Sarmasra SS High School. My today's topic is transformation sentences, which is very important for all the students reading in the schools and in the colleges. Have a look. There are 3 kinds of sentences according to the structures, and they are called transformational sentences. They are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. A simple sentence has one subject and one finite verb. A compound sentence has 2 coordinating clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions, and a complex sentence has one independent clause and 1 or 2 subordinate clauses. That is, a simple sentence consists of one subject and one finite verb. A compound sentence consists of 2 clauses, independent clauses, joined by coordinating conjunction, and complex sentence consists of one independent clause with 1 or 2 subordinate clauses. For example, Bangladesh is a free country. It's a simple sentence. Bangladesh is a country and it is free. It's a compound sentence. Bangladesh is a country which is free is a complex sentence. Notice please that 3 sentences are different in their forms but have the same meaning. So these are called transformational sentences. Forms of the sentences will be different but the meaning will be same. This is called transformational sentences. Again, learning English, you can get a good job, is a simple sentence. Learn English and you can get a good job, is a compound sentence. And if you learn English, you can get a good job, is a complex sentence. There are 3, the 3 sentences are different in their names and in their form, but all the 3 sentences have the same meaning, and this is the main characteristics of the transformational sentences. Dear students, I have applied a tricky method for you so that you can convert the 3 sentences very easily by following this chart. Here is the chart for you. Have a look. If the complex sentence, you can see, if you see the complex sentence with though, although at the beginning, then but will be used in the compound sentence and in spite of will be used in the simple sentence. If you see the complex sentence with if you, then it will be converted into compound sentence by using and verb ing will be used in the simple sentence. I will show you in the examples after I have discussed this. If you, not, or unless, if the compound sentence is with if you, not, or unless, then compound will be formed by using or, and simple sentence will be used without or plus verb ing. When you see the complex sentence with when, as, since, then, and will be used in the compound sentence and verb ing will be used in the simple sentence. Again, as, since, if they indicate reason in the complex sentence, then and or and so will be used in the compound sentence and verb ing will be used in the simple sentence, or because of, owing to, on account of can be used instead of verb ing. And then if the complex sentence is accompanied by so, adjective, that, then in the compound sentence very plus and will be used, and in the simple sentence to will be used. And now so that to indicate objective. If the complex sentence is with so that and it indicates objective, then and will be used in the compound sentence, and two pairs verb one will be used in the simple sentence, that is infinitive will be used in the simple sentence. If the compound sentence is with relative pronoun who is that, then it will be converted into compound with and in the simple sentence verb plus ing, that is present participle. And then when, if the compound sentence is with when, and the when indicates time or two words, one word start before ending the another word, then it will be turned into compound by using and in the simple sentence at the time of will be used. When, if when indicates spring or year, then compound will be formed by using and simple will be used in. That is, in before the year, in will be used, or before the spring, in will be used in the simple sentence. And when, if when indicates age, then compound will be formed by using and in the simple sentence at the age of will be used. You must remember this chart to convert the sentences from one to another. But if you will be very you'll be able to convert any sentence, any or either complex or compound or simple by following this chart very easily. I will show you one by one later. Dear students, now look at the board. I have written the complex sentence with though. Though he is poor, he is honest. And according to our chart that I have already written, and you can see that he is poor but he is honest, or he is poor but honest. In the compound sentence, but is used here according to the chart. And in the simple sentence, in spite of his being poor, he is honest. When we will use in spite of, then possessive will be used. Possessive is a must. So in spite of his being poor, he is honest in the simple sentence. Accordingly, although I went to his house, he did not meet me. The compound sentence will be, I went to his house, but he did not meet me. In the simple sentence, in spite of my going to his house, he did not meet me. Here is something to notice. We can use a comma in the compound sentence also, but it is not compulsory. But in the complex sentence, after the subordinate clause, comma is a must, and in the simple sentence, comma is a must. But in the compound sentence, we can use comma, or we don't. It's optional. We can use comma, or we can't. Or we don't need to use comma. Now, complex sentence with if you read attentively, you will do well in the exam. So if we see the complex sentence with if, it will be converted into compound by using and. Read attentively and you will do well in the exam. In the simple sentence, reading attentively, you will do well in the exam. Reading or by reading is the same. Again, if we do not walk fast, if you do not walk fast, you will miss the class. Walk fast or you will miss the class. And simple sentence, without walking fast, you will miss the class. the sentences is being converted here according to the chart. Now unless and if you do not is same. Unless you move, you will die. Move or you will die. In the simple sentence, without moving, you will die. Remember one thing. In the compound sentence, and is used to connect the similar ideas, and but is used to connect the opposite ideas. But is used in the compound sentence to connect the opposite ideas, and or is used to connect equally important choices. Yet can be also used in place of but. But and yet is used to connect equally important choices. According to the chart, you have already got. Now, complex sentence starts with when I closed the door, I went back to my work, and the compound sentence will be formed by using and. I closed the door and went back to my work. As subject is same, that's why in the second sentence subject was not used here. In the simple sentence, verb ing, closing the door, I went back to my work. Again, as I saw my friend, I became happy. I saw my friend and became happy. Seeing my friend, I became happy. So these are being done similarly according to the chart I have already mentioned. And now, since he found me, he acted crazy. He found me and acted crazy. Finding me, he acted crazy. And one thing is very, very important to remember. Have a look at this one. When the ceremony was over, the guests went away. Here, the subject is different in the two sentences. That's why when the subjects will be different in the two sentences of the complex sentence, then the simple sentence should be different. Verb ing will not be at the beginning. After the subject, then verb will be verb ing will be added. But the compound sentence will not be changed. The ceremony was over and the guests went away. Complex sentence is same according to previous rule, but simple sentence, the ceremony being over. At the beginning, ing was not added here. First, the subject, the ceremony being over, the guests went away. So we should remember that when the subject of the complex sentence will be different, then ing will not be at the beginning. Suppose the tea is hot and I cannot drink it. The tea is being hot, I cannot drink it. Now, complex sentence, as he was ill, he could not attend the meeting. Here, as has been used to indicate reason. If it indicates reason, then he was ill and so can be used, and you can also use and, or you can use and so. He could not attend the meeting. And similarly, being ill or because of his being ill, he could not attend the meeting. You can follow the both rules. Now the other examples. Jerry came to the orphanage when he was 4. It is also complex sentence, but the subordinate clause has been used here in the end of the sentence. But have a look, as the subordinate clause has been used at the end of the sentence, that's why comma is not used here. baby was 4 and he came to the orphanage. Zeri came to the orphanage at the age of 4. Orphanage means where the orphans live. In the chart, according to the chart, I mentioned there, when indicates age, then the simple sentence will be formed at the age of by using at the age of. So Zeri came to the orphanage at the age of 4. He came here when it was 1970. Here when indicates time, that's why it was 1970 and he came here. And the simple sentence, he came here in 1970. When indicates time, year and spring, in will be used in the simple sentence. When it is spring, the cuckoo sings. It is spring and the cuckoo sings in the compound sentence, and the simple sentence will be the cuckoo sings in spring. In is used before the spring. Please be attentive. Many students pronounce kaku. The pronunciation of this word is not kaku. Its correct pronunciation is kuku. Don't mistake it. And two words. When is used with two words in the complex sentence. When we were eating rice, he called me. We were eating rice and he called me. The simple sentence will be he called me at the time of our eating rice. Now, so plus adjective plus that, if the complex sentence is found in this way, then compound sentence will be formed by using very plus and. That is, he is very weak and he can't move. And in the simple sentence, he is too weak to move. Now, complex sentence so that which indicates objectives. We eat so that we can live. We want to eat, that's why we eat. So compound sentence will be we eat and we live, and simple sentence will be we eat to live. Infinitive is used here. And I saw the baby which was crying. Compound will be I saw the baby and it was crying, and the simple sentence I saw the baby crying. Present participle has been used here. And now the last one is with be verb. If the sentence, if we can see any complex sentence or any simple sentence with be verb, then it will be converted in this way. She is a lady and she is beautiful. Complex sentence, she is a lady who is beautiful, who is a relative pronoun, and she is a lady and she is beautiful. Simple sentence will be she is a beautiful lady. Again, it is health which is well. Similarly, it is health and it is well, and health is wealth in the simple sentence, because this sentence has been formed in with be verb with the subject. Dear students, this is all for today's class. I hope all you have enjoyed the class. Please contact us if you face any problem. We are ready to help you. Goodbye.